Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best brake system is probably one of the most critical components of your vehicle's safety, directly impacting your ability to stop quickly and reliably in any situation, whether you're navigating busy city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling challenging terrains, ensuring peace of mind for you and your passengers on every journey. Number 5. G2 High Temperature Brake Caliper Paint System Set Red G2160. Our brake caliper epoxy paint is engineered to withstand extreme temperatures of up to 980 degrees Fahrenheit. It forms a tough, durable, and protective layer that's incredibly easy to maintain. Experience unparalleled protection against brake fluids, road salt, dust, and gravel. This system provides robust defense against discoloration and wear, keeping your components pristine. Elevate your vehicle's aesthetic with a professional, stylish touch. Unlike spray paints, our brush-on system dries harder, preventing flakes and chips for a lasting, brilliant shine. Choose from 12 high-gloss, heat-resistant colors to perfectly match your style. From classic red to vibrant lime green, we have a shade for every preference. Each complete kit is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. It includes everything you need to transform your brake calipers or drums, including a cleaner and application tools. What we like. This product offers exceptional heat and wear resistance, creating a durable, protective layer. If you're looking to customize your brake calipers with a stylish, long-lasting finish that can withstand high temperatures, this is a great choice. It's perfect for car enthusiasts who want to add a personal touch to their vehicle's appearance. What people say. This brake system offers excellent stopping power and responsiveness, making it ideal for performance driving. The installation process was straightforward, and the components felt very durable and well-made. I was impressed by the consistent performance even under heavy braking conditions, with no signs of fade. Number 4. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. Introducing the PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit, engineered for ultimate performance. Experience a significant upgrade in your vehicle's stopping capabilities. This kit is built to handle the extra stress of towing, hauling, and challenging terrains. It's designed to provide durable and reliable stopping power when you need it most. Equipped with advanced carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, this system offers enhanced friction and heat resistance. Enjoy reduced brake fade even under heavy use. The included drilled and slotted rotors ensure optimal cooling and debris removal. This design contributes to consistent performance and extended rotor life. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full front and rear brake replacement. It's designed to work seamlessly together for maximum stopping power and longevity. Specifically designed for trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s, this upgrade surpasses your stock brakes. It's the perfect solution for those who demand more from their braking system. What we like. This kit is engineered for demanding applications like towing and hauling, providing reliable stopping power. If you own a truck or SUV and frequently tow heavy loads or drive in challenging terrains, this upgrade will offer significantly improved performance and safety. It's designed to handle the extra stress, ensuring you have confidence on the road. What people say. The brake system is designed for optimal performance and durability. Features advanced braking technology for enhanced safety. The system provides consistent and reliable stopping power in various conditions. Number 3. PowerStop Z23 Brake Kit for Lexus and Toyota. Get a full brake upgrade in one convenient kit. It includes everything you need for both the front and rear of your vehicle. Experience superior stopping power with our advanced carbon fiber ceramic pads. They provide a quiet and reliable performance that lasts. Our drilled and slotted rotors are designed to stay cool and resist cracking. The protective plating ensures they also stand up to rust and corrosion. Ensure the perfect fit for your vehicle. Use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool or check the product description to verify compatibility. This kit is built for performance and durability. It's backed by a comprehensive 60-day 36-month 36,000-mile limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This offers a significant boost in stopping power with quiet, long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a direct replacement that improves your daily driver's braking capabilities while also providing excellent protection against rust and corrosion, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for everyday vehicles where a balance of performance and longevity is desired. What people say. Stops way faster and it's super smooth while applying pressure. No noises. Slotted rotors are better than non-slotted as it doesn't heat up as fast or warp over time. High quality and performance, very good quality, no brake dust, if so very little. Number 2. Demco 959-9007 Air Force 1 braking system. Meet the Demco 959-9007 Air Force 1 braking system, designed for optimal performance. This essential auto accessory ensures reliable braking for your vehicle. Crafted with precision in the United States, it offers exceptional durability. Its robust construction guarantees long-lasting use and peace of mind. Despite its powerful capabilities, it features a thoughtful design. This system is engineered to integrate seamlessly, providing enhanced safety on the road. Weighing 8.414 kilograms, this braking system is built for resilience. Its substantial build reflects the quality and reliability you can expect. The dimensions of 23.495 cm L x 35.941 cm W x 44.45 cm indicate a design that prioritizes ease of installation. Enjoy enhanced braking control with minimal hassle. Upgrade your vehicle's safety with this top-tier braking system. It's the perfect choice for drivers who demand the best in automotive accessories. What we like. This system provides a robust and integrated braking solution for towed vehicles. If you frequently tow an RV or a large trailer and need a reliable, automatic braking system that works seamlessly with your existing setup, this is a top-tier choice. It ensures safety and compliance without constant manual adjustments. What people say. Easy to install on Wrangler. Took maybe 1 hour end to end just to be sure it was right. Great system once installed. No drain on my battery on the Jeep and I have not had to install any charge lines. Hookup is superbly easy, attach the air hose between coach and car. Its use is transparent, it just works. Number 1. Hopkins 39524 Brake Buddy Select 3. Experience ultimate performance with our advanced braking system. It quickly and easily positions your brakes for optimal control. Adjust settings and receive alerts directly from your motorhome cab. The interactive remote offers seamless control and peace of mind. Our easy pull power cord simplifies setup. It provides both power and a secure breakaway connection with just one cord. This unit is designed to be compact and lightweight. It won't add unnecessary bulk to your setup. Storage is a breeze thanks to its smart design. An easy access handle folds down, making it incredibly convenient to put away. What we like. This offers convenient and adjustable braking control for your towed vehicle. If you're a recreational vehicle owner who values ease of use and the ability to monitor and adjust your towed vehicle's brakes from the driver's seat, this is a fantastic solution. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it easy to store when not in use. What people say. The brake system is incredibly responsive, providing excellent stopping power even during emergency braking situations. Installation was straightforward, and the improved braking performance was noticeable immediately after. The durable construction ensures longevity, and the system operates quietly without any squealing or grinding noises. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.